We are from grade 6. I am Imnas Chaudhary Misha.
And I'm Zunaima Zahra.
Today we are going to present two science experiments. The first one is going to be a lava lamp. The things that we need to make the lava lamps are vinegar, vegetable oil, baking soda, food coloring, 2 cups and a glass jar, and a spoon. First we are going to pour a thick layer of baking soda into the glass jar. Then we are going to pour oil in it. As she's pouring the oil in it, food color with the vinegar. We need to take half a cup of vinegar. We're going to take 2 teaspoons of food color to put it in the vinegar. After putting it, we're going to mix it. After we pour vinegar inside the mixture of oil and baking soda, we need to wait for a while to show reaction.
To get a better view, we can place a light under the jar.
Now let's see what happens after we pour this inside it. As you can see, the reaction has already started. Oh my god. Look at it, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
As you can see the baking soda going upwards because of the vinegar. It looks so amazing. As you can see, the vinegar is reacting with the baking soda. And because of the oil, it's not coming out of the bottle and falling down. It's getting trapped on the top part.